Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you ways on which I have been styling my mini braids. So I've had these mini braids for a little over a month now, and I'm going to show you simple ways you can style your mini braids. Yeah. So I've had my hair in this plait for a couple of days now, and I'm going to take it down. This is so good, guys, especially if you have your hair like in a bob. It's going to be so good. I'm just going to do my edges and clean up this part so that it looks more intentional and put together. Tempted to leave this mini braid for another week. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. The second style, I am just going to divide my hair in two sections, as you can already see. Braid it down. I have a lot of new growth. This is basically just repeating the same thing on the other side. And when you're doing your braids, make sure you smoothen this middle part to make sure it is laid flat. You don't want bumps here, guys. It's not a cute look. Pigtails like this. This is also another cute style. I have this beautiful bow I bought from Shein, and I am definitely going to get it in other colors. So you can just, this is giving classy, this is giving demure, this is giving very mindful, this is giving very elegant. Oh my goodness, I love this style. I mean, the bow takes it to a whole nother level. And yeah, you can actually use other colors of your choice, other colors of bows of your choice, but this is the one I have. I'm definitely going to get more of this in other colors. It doesn't matter how short your hair is. I think there are ways you can maneuver your hair into achieving the clock. This is so cute, guys. This is so cute. If you're struggling to put your short hair into a claw clip, I think this method will be so good. You just have to, it takes your whole look to another level, and you shouldn't be shy to try this style if you feel like your hair isn't long enough. As you can see, my hair is not long enough, but I was able to put my hair in a claw clip, as you can see. So for this next style, I am just going to braid my hair all the way down, so you can take out side pieces if you like. So I am just going to do like the braided crown. I know at this point it's like all the hairstyles involves braiding. Yeah, I think it's a good thing because you know when your hair gets old, you kind of your face kind of looks flat. But the good thing with this method is that it's able to pull your face and give it that facelift, like when you just got your hair done. if you cannot get these two side pieces to lay flat like mine, which is common when your braids or twists are old, you can just crochet that into the direction you want it to lay. That's it. So this is it, guys. What do you think? So if you like, you can actually accessorize, but if you want to keep it simple, you can leave it the way it is. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about this style? Do you like it? So for the next style, I'm going to do another claw clip hairstyle. Next style, guys, I am going to do a, a claw clip kind of hairstyle, but without the claw clip. So I am going to part my hair like this. I'm just going to pull the rest of my hair back. Oh, that's nice. So I'm just going to, yep. So I am just going to pack this up with the rest of the hair. I do not braid all the way up, so I'm just going to get a rubber band and secure them. So guys, if you want to try the claw clip style without the claw clip, this is also, you can try this method. Another way you can style your hair is through making bangs. Let me just show you guys, because my hair, when you braid your hair, it falls, it lays in the way you braided your hair. I don't know if that makes sense. So if you braid your hair this way, it's going to lay this way, even when it grows out. So if you braid this way, it's going to lay this way in my case. So I want bangs, so I am just going to, like, can you see that? So automatically it lays in the direction of the crochet. As you guys can see, it was a struggle to do this to tie this turban. And the whole idea is I've seen this style somewhere, but the person used a scarf. So I don't have an orange scarf, but I do have other colors. But I really wanted to try this style. It is really cute if on the days you're feeling like tying your hair. This is a really cute style if you have an orange scarf, and precisely orange, guys, precisely orange. It is really cute, and I really like it. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. So let me know which is your favorite styles in the favorite style in the comment section. And if you're new here, hey, you're very much welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video, and please do well to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.